What's up? So yeah, I just posted a video, and as you know, I messed up in that one. And you might be asking, why are you removing your AIO when you just set everything up and you're just waiting for fans? Well, I was really influenced by that Bitwit video, and there are a bunch of forums that not only referenced it but also mentioned the same thing. Older articles, obviously. That is an older video. But then something came up into my recommended from Gamer Nexus, basically saying that putting it on the side has detriment to the AIO itself, and while it does make your CPU cooler, it makes your whole other system hotter. So I'm doing it all over. Essentially, I was right the first time, so I didn't f up. However, because I doubted myself and I thought I f***ed up, I still ended up f***ing up. So, in essence, I f***ed up because I f***ed myself, and then everything's now Anyway, I'm gonna reverse all this crap. This is gonna go on the top. These guys are gonna be exhaust instead. So, yeah. Anyway, just a quick update before the next video comes out. I know I took some, end shots there about how it looked. This whole thing's gonna look a little bit different now because of all of that. But, God, I just want to get it right. I just want to get it right. Gamer Nexus, thank you for making me get this right. And Jesus. Anyway, appreciate you guys. Be patient with me, because I'm not patient with me. Peace.